Kampyonato at higit 50,000 dirhams o higit 700,000 piso ang nasungkit ng accountancy major at professional bowler na si Mark Custodio sa bowling tournament sa Dubai.
Competing in a global stage and representing the flag for my country, it feels very great po, to say the least.
Napakasaya ko, no? Kasi since I stopped bowling, last tournament ko was 2007. So I started coaching 2008. Very successful until now.
Higit sa 300 bowler sa buong mundo ang lumahok sa taunang tournament. 3 sa mga kinatawan ng Pilipinas na sina Mark, Stephen Diwa at ang Singapore-based student na si Zach Ramin ang pasok sa semifinals.
It's really how I want to play bowling, is to bring pride to the Philippines.
Umabante din ang Dubai resident Pinoy at pinuno ng mga Filipino bowlers sa Emirate na si Hashim Ginomla.
It's really very good. I mean, competing with other countries, especially here in the Middle East, to be in there, you know, among the other competitive players. And
mahigpit ang naging laban sa 6 na rounds ng semifinals kung saan sa ika-5 round bumagsak sa pang-18 pwesto si Custodio. Pero kinabahan man, kumpiyansa pa rin ang batang bowler na makakabawi sa huling round.
I just thought to myself that I should continue fighting and to ignore what happened the last game, just so that I have that chance mentally to make it for the top 10.
Ayon sa Pinoy bowling legend at Philippine Sports Commission Commissioner na si Bong Ku, nakakatulong ang torneo para mahasa ang husay at diskarte ng Filipino bowlers.
It's a very good way also to as part of their training to be able to be exposed, because nakikita ko sila din yung kalaban nila when they go to the Asian Championship.
Dagdag ni Coach Jojo, malaking bagay na masimulan ang training sa murang edad at ang pagkakaroon ng dedicated training center.
We rely on parents who are bowling also na eventually tuturo nila sa mga anak nila yung sport. Unlike kung magkakaroon tayo ng sariling training center which is open to everyone na interested sa sport na hindi nila kailangan gumastos ng malaki to play.
We're really into grassroots now, especially at the Philippine Sports Commission. And we're not only in bowling but in all sports. And because alam niyo naman na the young ones are the ones who are going to be the next generation. In fact, I'm so happy to see that there are many young bowlers now.
Magdadalawang dekada na ang nakaraan ng huling tumuntong ang isang Pinoy sa tuktok ng podium ng isang World Bowling Championship at uhaw na rin ang mga fans sa iidoluhing multiple world champions gaya ni na Commissioner Bong Ku at Paeng Nepomuceno. Pero para sa Dubai champion, nakatuon ang kanyang atensyon sa pagsasanay.
For me, it's a very long road. I hope I continue winning for my country and to represent well in the next few international events.
Para sa TFC News, Benjamin Canyamaso, ABS-CBN News, Dubai, UAE.